Imagine you are in 2030. You wake up in your apartment in Bengaluru. Your smart assistant has already adjusted your room temperature. Your car, it drives itself to office. Your hospital appointment was scheduled by an algorithm that predicted your health pattern. And guess what? The brain behind all this? Someone like you. So, welcome to the Kapeel Gupta Career PodShow. Today, we are decoding one of the most powerful and fastest growing careers in the world, AI engineer. Artificial intelligence is no longer science fiction. It is shaping Google searches, Netflix recommendations, stock markets, medical diagnosis, agriculture planning, and even national security. According to global industry reports, AI could contribute over $15 trillion to the world economy by 2030. India itself is expected to become $1 trillion digital economy, and AI will be at its heart. But what does it really mean to become an AI engineer? Is it only for IIT toppers? Or is coding genius mandatory? Or can a focused Gen Z student from Ghaziabad, Jaipur, or Nagpur dream of building intelligent systems? So let's explore this career deeply, not as a job description, but as a story you can see yourself living. Hi, I'm Kapeel Gupta, career coach, life mentor, and founder of Study Abroad Academy. I empower students, parents, and conscious professionals to design a fulfilling life and career by aligning their minds, values, and aspirations. I do it with coaching, mindset work, and the game changing power of graphotherapy because students deserve more than just guidance, they deserve transformation. So let's dive in. Now, let me tell you about Arav. Arav was an average student in school, not a topper, not a coding prodigy, but he was curious. He always asked, how does YouTube know what I want to watch? During engineering, he learned Python, then machine learning. Then he built a small project predicting house prices in a city. Today, Arav works in Hyderabad as an AI engineer in a fintech company building fraud detection systems. So, this is the scope. In India, AI engineers are in demand across industries: IT services, fintech, healthcare, edtech, e commerce, automotive, cybersecurity, and even government sectors. Companies like TCS, Infosys, Wipro, HCL, Reliance Jio, Flipkart, Paytm, and many startups are hiring AI professionals. India is among the top countries adopting AI rapidly. Government initiatives like Digital India and AI research hubs are creating more opportunities. Abroad, the scope is even wider. The United States, Canada, Germany, UK, Singapore, Australia, and UAE are investing billions in AI. Global giants like Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Meta, Tesla, Nvidia, and OpenAI constantly hire AI engineers. So, the beauty of AI is this: your skill can travel. If you build expertise, geography becomes flexible. So, now close your eyes and imagine your workday. You enter office or log in remotely. You open your laptop, the first task is analyzing data. Maybe you're building a model to predict customer churn, or designing a chatbot for a hospital, or training a machine learning model to detect cancer from medical images. An AI engineer does three main things. First, they collect and clean data because AI is only as smart as the data it learns from. Second, they design and train machine learning models. This means writing code in Python, using tools like TensorFlow or PyTorch, testing algorithms, and improving accuracy. Third, they deploy the model so that real users can benefit from it. Some days are exciting breakthroughs. Some days are debugging errors for hours. But every day is problem solving. You may work in a tech company, a startup, a research lab, or even remotely from home. Collaboration is the key. You work with data scientists, software developers, business analysts, and product managers. Now, this is not a boring test job, it's a thinking job, a creative job, a future building job. Now, many students ask me, Sir, do I need to be a maths genius? You need logic, you need curiosity, you need consistency. An AI engineer typically has a background in computer science, information technology, data science, mathematics, or engineering. A bachelor's degree like BTech or BE is common. Many professionals also pursue a master's degree in artificial intelligence or machine learning. But here's the real truth: skills matter more than labels. You must learn programming, especially Python. You must understand mathematics, especially statistics, probability, and linear algebra. You must understand machine learning concepts and algorithms. You must build projects, small ones, real ones. So, want to become an AI engineer? Start with a simple step. Build a recommendation system, create a chatbot, analyze a dataset, publish it on GitHub. This is how recruiters see your ability. In India, top institutions offering AI focused programs include IITs, IIIT Hyderabad, IISCs Bengaluru, BITS Pilani, VIT, that is VIT, and private universities offering BTech or MTech in AI and data science. Abroad, universities like MIT, Stanford, Carnegie Mellon, University of Toronto, Oxford, Cambridge, and National University of Singapore, that is NUS, are global leaders in AI research. But remember, learning AI today is not limited to universities. Platforms like Coursera, edX, Udemy, and Kaggle competitions give global exposure. And now comes the question everyone waits for: salary. In India, a fresher AI engineer can earn between 6 to 12 lakhs per annum depending on skills and company. With 3 to 5 years of experience, this can grow to 15 to 30 lakhs per annum or more, and in top tech firms and startups, it can be even higher. Abroad, the numbers are powerful. In the United States, AI engineers earn around $100,000 to $150,000 per year. In countries like Canada, Germany, and UK, salaries are also highly competitive. But remember, salary should not be your only motivation. AI is evolving. You must keep learning. The highest paid AI engineers are those who continuously upgrade themselves. Now, let me share something important. Many successful AI engineers did not start as toppers, they started as learners. Sundar Pichai was not born in Silicon Valley. Satya Nadella did not grow up in California. They started from India. They built skills, they adapted. AI is not reserved for elite institutions, it is reserved for disciplined learners. So, if you practice coding daily, if you solve real problems, if you stay curious, you can enter the field. So, ask yourself, do you enjoy solving puzzles? Do you like understanding how things work? Or do you feel excited about technology shaping the future? If yes, AI engineering could be your calling. This career offers global exposure, high salary, intellectual growth, and impact, but it demands hard work, logical thinking, and lifelong learning. The future will not wait. Automation is rising, data is expanding, the world needs intelligent systems and intelligent engineers. So, to every student listening today, do not underestimate yourself. You may not know everything today, but you can definitely start today. Start with one programming lesson, start with one data set, start with one small project. One day, you'll look back and realize the future you dreamed about is the life you built. This is Kapeel Gupta reminding you: careers are not chosen randomly, they are designed intentionally. So, if this episode helped you imagine yourself as an AI engineer, share it with someone who dreams of building the future. And if you wish to connect with me for a one-to-one chat, The link is in the description. Subscribe to the Kapeel Gupta Career PodShow for more career clarity, global opportunities, and life-changing insights. Because your career is not just about earning money, it's about creating impact.